room before I head up to deer camp. This was my first week of staying in a hotel for work after being in the camper all summer. So I went to work for a short time this morning, got the guys started, drove up here, went to Melissa's work, and then we drove to Wide World of Wings in Superior, Wisconsin, and had lunch. And now I'm heading back to the farmhouse. I got some 2x6s that I reclaimed off a deck that we tore down, and gotta get those unloaded. Get the guns loaded into the truck, get everything loaded in here, because tomorrow morning, before it gets light out, I'm heading for the tent. Well, I have laundry in the washer right now. I have camera batteries charging up and headlamps charging up. And now I'm going to drive back and get these 2x6s unloaded so I can free up some space in the back of my truck. So then I can get all this water loaded in there and a few other things. Nice little pile of lumber accumulating here. I decided to do the 12-inch stovepipe instead of that 18-inch. I remember I did that in one of the last videos. Just want to make sure that this is the right one that I need. That should do it right there. So now I'll take out this 18. I'll install this 12. That's going to get me back to about here. And then this will come out, and then we can put everything in and put that all-nighter wood stove in. For Christmas, Melissa wanted the large Harvest Right freeze dryer with the upgraded pump, so we ordered that, and she wanted to get all the Christmas shopping done. And I said I wanted a new one of these glider table saws, a 12-inch Bosch here. This should be a really nice saw. It doesn't have the slides. This one it's old and it's off some, and it has the slider, so you need so much room on the table, where this one can slam right up against. You don't need this much space, so it's going to be really nice, and they glide really easy. But we'll have to deal with all that in a different video, because right now it's just all about getting ready for deer hunting. Well, I got the guns all put in the truck now. Now I'm folding clothes and putting them in my duffel bag. Melissa's making up a double batch of Sloppy Joes, so we can have those to eat for lunch for a couple of days. Everything's just about ready. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Tomorrow morning, before it gets light out, I'm heading up to deer camp. I hope you guys can hear me okay. I just showered with scent-free soap. I'll see you guys on the next video.